Today, we will talk about the accumulation phase, what it is, how it works, examples. The accumulation phase refers to the period in a person's life in which they are saving for retirement. It is the time when an individual is working, planning, and ultimately building up the value of their investment through savings. This phase is followed by the distribution phase, in which retirees begin accessing and using their funds. The accumulation phase is a specific period when an annuity investor is in the early stages of building up the cash value of the annuity. This building phase is followed by the annuitization phase, where payments are paid out to the annuitant. It essentially begins when a person starts saving money for retirement and ends when they begin taking distributions. Typically, it starts when individuals begin their working life and ends when they retire from the workforce. Experts suggest that the sooner an individual begins the accumulation phase, the better. Starting to save in one's 20s versus in the 30s can make a substantial long-term financial difference. Postponing consumption by saving during the accumulation period will most often increase the amount of consumption one will be able to have later. The earlier the accumulation period is in one's life, the more advantages there are, such as compounding interest and protection from business cycles. In terms of annuities, the more invested during the accumulation phase, the more will be received during the annuitization phase. There are many income streams that an individual can build up during the accumulation phase, starting from when they first enter the workforce or, in some cases, sooner. Popular options include employer-sponsored retirement plans, individual retirement accounts, and annuities. The length of the accumulation phase will vary based on when an individual begins saving and when they plan to retire, but starting the accumulation phase as early as possible is beneficial. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Accumulation phase refers to the period in a person's life in which they are saving for retirement. 2. The accumulation happens ahead of the distribution phase when they are retired and spending the money. 3. Accumulation phase also refers to a period when an annuity investor is beginning to build up the cash value of the annuity. The annuitization phase, when payments are dispersed, follows the accumulation period. 4. The length of the accumulation phase will vary based on when an individual begins saving and when the person plans to retire. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.